windows daily. No if and buts some maybes. Have you addicted like that shit my auntie smoked in the 80s? Auntie Trisha, what up? I see you still live and maintain raw. So I rep it, spit raw, spit hard as the veins in your arms. Reminisce back on the innocence, back when the money was limited. Before we had stacks, before we had racks, before we had raps on the internet. We was in class, dropping the teacher crazy, hoping the bill rung soon. Before labels, we banged on tables inside that school lunchroom. Doom. Only one I graduated but still hung outside school with the dropouts. Didn't wanna work around the clock from 9-5 just clock in and clock out. Some niggas had packed things and sold it to crack fiends. Some niggas had dope rolling a notepad but couldn't turn it into rap dreams. But I did what I had to stash that cash up under that mattress, hoping that a few years later, sooner than later, I could put moms in that mansion. Back up against that wall, back in the trap where a nigga feel trapped in. Either you a hustler, either you a dope man, or you got the muscle in the hood like Kodak. Rack 'em, stack 'em, woo, play cool when the cops roll past 'em. If you heard that word, you knew they were hopping that fence so the cops wouldn't grab 'em. Some of the visions we saw, some of the sounds we heard, left that scar on the brain, in the bars, in the verse, in the words, in the hearse.
It's just a different way of living. Oh, I knew the hand that I was given. Hustle up early in the morning, grind all the way through. Talking about death around the corner, hoping that we don't be soon.
Yeah, so when you waiting on those days of fortune, unfortunately, yo, that wait is torture. Like holding breath underwater. You're the star a million miles away, just a mile away. Almost got God on a holiday, but he got away. What you think they troubled for? Didn't grow up comfortable or comfy as the lives of Cosby's and Claire Huxtables. Need a couple grand in they hand, put the handgun to the next man. Grandma lived longer than grandson.
It's just a different way of living. Oh, I knew the hand that I was given. Hustle up early in the morning, grind all the way through. Talking about death around the corner, hoping that we don't be soon. Hell below.
Leaving heaven and hell.
Hell below.